Hello all, welcome to Live Mechanical Jobs. This is the fifth video in our mechanical job series. Before starting our video, I would suggest you to bookmark this website by pressing Ctrl D. As you see on the screen, you get this option. So you just need to click on done so that you can refer this website in future. So in this video, I'll be showing you multiple job openings for freshers, interns and experienced candidates. So stay connected with the video till the end, and you can find the job links in the video description. So let's get started. The first government job is from Airports Authority of India. They have openings for managers and junior executives. As seen in the description, for manager, the maximum age has to be 32 years as on November 30, 2020. And for a junior executive, the maximum age to apply to this job is 27 years as on November 30, 2020. Candidates from private sector applying for the post of managers in various disciplines should be drawing a minimum of 11 lakhs per annum as on a cut-off date. A minimum of 60% of marks or equivalent for bachelor's degree and also a PG degree diploma including MBA are eligible to apply to this job. Application fees of 1000 rupees applies to the general candidates, and for SC, ST and female candidates they need to pay 170 rupees. These fees are paid only through online mode. Fee submitted by any other mode will not be accepted. So to apply to this job, just click on apply now button here so that you will be redirected to this page, and by clicking on here you get this official notification from Airports Authority of India, in which for the manager level 5 years of work experience is required in executive cadre in the field of fire services, and they have total of 11 openings for which BE BTech degree in fire engineering or mechanical engineering or automobile engineers are eligible to apply. For the manager technical, BE BTech degree in mechanical or automobile engineers are eligible, for which 5 years of work experience in executive cadre in the field of government procurement, procedures of goods, services, equipment and vehicles, etc., for which 2 openings are available. Coming down for junior executive technical, for which BE BTech degree in mechanical or automobile engineers are eligible, for which no experience is required. That means freshers can apply to this, and 8 openings are available. So to apply to this job, come back to the previous link, and here you can select for the post you want to apply. So here you get for fresher, you can click on junior executive and fill up the details as required here, and proceed with the registration process. So let's get to the next job. The second government job is for experienced mechanical engineers from US Embassy, New Delhi, for which they require at least 5 years of experience and they offer good salary. And the last date to apply to this job is January 15, 2021. So by clicking on apply now, you will be redirecting to their official website. So in here you get every detail about this job position, and this is a position for US Embassy, New Delhi, and they have explained about the working duties of the candidate. They are looking for a 5 years experienced candidate who has worked as a project engineer at a manufacturing plant or at a major resort or hospital, office complex, or at a large university school, etc. Down here you will be finding an how to apply process. So kindly go through this and apply to this job if you are suitable. So let's get to the next jobs. Now let's start with private sector jobs, in which interns, freshers and experience openings are available. Now I will be explaining one by one, so stay connected to it. The first job is of mechanical engineers for the company JJ Pump Private Limited, and they require diploma mechanical engineers, for which they need at least 4 years of experience, and per month salary they offer 17,000. And you can even directly call to this number here if you feel you are suitable for the above skills they require. So this company is located in Coimbatore, and the candidate must have completed his diploma B mechanical or electrical. The candidate must have multi-skilled knowledge in mechanical maintenance and handling all sorts of machines running in the unit, like CNC turning center, VMC, VT. Also should have the knowledge in handling electrical issues. So salary will be based on the experience and skills the candidates possess. For candidates coming from outside district, we provide free accommodation facility, and we have canteen facility under subsidized charges. So anyone out of Coimbatore are welcome to apply to this job. So to apply to this job, just click on apply now. So you will be getting this form. So fill out this information and upload your resume by clicking on this button, browse button, and apply here, so that your details will be sent to the HR of this organization. So you can even get the email ID in the description below if you face issues with this form. So let's get to the next job. The second private job is for the openings of mechanical engineers for freshers to 2 years of experience candidates, and this is from the organization of Techlong Packaging Machinery India Private Limited. This is for the location Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and they are offering salary from 8,000 to 20,000 based on the experience. As seen in the description, they require mechanical engineer for their company for installation and commissioning of beverage machinery, mechanical engineer for site role as a service engineer. So as seen, they require 0 to 2 years, and freshers can apply. And the eligibility of education is degree in mechanical engineer or B, and diploma candidates can also apply. So if you are interested in applying to the job, just click on apply now. You get this form, and also you will find the email ID in the description. Let's get to the next job. The third private job is for mechanical production engineer for the location Kerala, and they offer 14,425 rupees to 22,000 per month, and they require at least 3 years of experience to apply to this job, and they need a person who knows good AutoCAD knowledge, and an immediate joiner is required. And they offer food allowances, and this is a morning shift job. And if you are interested, you can speak to the employer here by calling to this number, or just click on apply now so that you get this form to send your resume. Let's get to the next job. The fourth private job is for AutoCAD designer fresher. This is for the location Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and they offer 10,000 to 12,000 per month, and temporarily they can be working from home. And this is from the organization NFA Life Secure Private Limited, and the eligibility of the candidate should be BE engineer mechanical, and only male are eligible to apply to this job with a AutoCAD certificate. And experience of CAD command and good knowledge on AutoCAD designing and good communication skills, and all of these skills are required, and age has to be below 27 years. And you can even call to this number to get more details on the job And there are even other job openings for mechanical engineers. By going through this link, I'll be showing you. So in their website there are even other openings for mechanical, for which this is for the experienced candidates, for which manager level jobs are available. And there are multiple openings for it, in which 2 years experiences are required or 5 years is required. So kindly check with this link too if you are eligible. So coming back, to apply to this AutoCAD designer job, just click on this apply now. You get this form, or you will be getting the email ID in the description below. Let's get to the next job. The fifth private job has multiple mechanical engineering job openings in India and USA. This is from the company Satyam Venture Engineering Private Limited, and the eligible candidates are BE, BTech or ME, MTech candidates, and freshers and experienced candidates can apply to this job. So getting to the description here, you will be finding these links, or you can even click on apply now so that it redirects you to their official website. So down here you can see that they're called CAE engineer and CAD customization engineer, and they even have multiple openings on in their branch of USA, for which mechanical engineers are eligible. I'll be showing you now. And coming down here, senior engineer technical specialist, for which mechanical engineers are eligible. So just by clicking on apply now, you can get all the details of these jobs, and you can go through them, and if you're eligible, just apply through the contact apply button, which is eligible to apply. So here this is for the location Hyderabad, for which they require 4 to 6 years of experienced candidates. So by clicking on apply now, you get this form here where you can attach your CV, and just click on apply now to this job. So kindly go through this description here. You will be finding more details about the jobs available in India and USA. So let's get to the next job. The sixth private job is for mechanical design engineer. This is a fresher type job for the location of Pune, Maharashtra, and they offer 8,000 to 10,000 salary per month. This is from the company Metrolab Engineering Private Limited. And kindly go through the description here, and to apply to this job, just click on apply now. You get this form, and you can even find the email ID in the description below. Let's get to the next job. The seventh private job has multiple mechanical jobs for BTech and diploma. This is for the location Sangli, Maharashtra, and they offer from 10,000 to 2 lakh per month of salary, as they have multiple openings from freshers to experienced candidates. And coming down, you see the eligibility criteria is the degree or diploma mechanical or electrical instrumentation engineers, mechanical draftsman, graduates for other disciplines are eligible to apply to this organization. To apply to this job, you can copy this email ID from here, and you can send your resume, or by clicking on apply now, you get to their official website, where you can be finding the details about the jobs they have openings in, and you can send your resume through this email ID here. So let's get to the next job. The eighth mechanical job is for IT turners, diploma mechanical engineers. This is for the location Hyderabad, Telangana, and they offer up to 1,50,000 salary per year, and this is from the organization Praneeth Engineering Works. In the description you can find their website, and you can visit and go through their website details, and you can call to this number to get more details on the job. And to apply to this job, just click on apply now button here, and you'll get this Facebook link in which you can click on apply now to apply to this job. Let's get to the next job. The 9th private job is for mechanical engineer freshers and experienced candidate. This is for the location Hyderabad, Telangana, and this is from the organization Technosis International, and they require BTech mechanical engineering graduates. Coming to the description, the candidate will be responsible for maintaining product and industry knowledge. You will work in a team-oriented environment that accelerates operational efficiency, and the candidate has to have the ability to read and understand designs and schematics, and should have strong problem solving and critical thinking skills and ability to multitask, organize and prioritize the work. And to apply to this job, click on apply now. You'll get this form, and you'll also find the email ID in the description below. Let's get to the next job. 10th private job is for application engineer, and this is a minimum 1 year experience candidate, and this is a Pune based 3D printing services company. The organization name is Daily CAD/CAM, and they require at least 1+ year experience candidates from BE Mechanical having relevant experience in 3D printing industry. And kindly go through the description, and if you feel you are eligible to apply to this job, then just click on apply now here. It redirects you to their official website where you can have full details on the job here. So kindly go through this, and let's get to the next job. The 11th private job is for the location Bangalore, Karnataka, for which they require graduate engineer trainees for the location Bangalore, and this is for the company Geo India, and for the location of Bangalore, and qualification they require is BTech mechanical engineers and BE mechanical engineers. This is a fresher type job, and kindly go through the description here and click on apply now button, so it redirects you to their official website where you can apply to this job. So as you see, this is from the careers of Geo Digital Life, and just click on apply now button here so you can apply to this job. So let's get to the next. The 12th private job is also from the same company Geo India, and this is for the location of Mumbai, Maharashtra, and this is a fresher type job. Just click on this apply now button, so it redirects you to their official website where you can click on apply now here. Let's get to the next job. The 13th private job is for design engineer for the location Bangalore. This is from a well-known popular company Cyient, and they require 2+ year experience candidates with the qualification BTech mechanical and BE mechanical engineering, and the skills required are BOM, bills of materials, Creo 4.0, Windchill 11 and drawing. These kind of skills are required to apply, and less than 3 years candidates can apply to this job. And kindly go through the description here, and if you are interested, just click on apply now, so it redirects you to their official website. So in here, just click on apply button, or you can even sign in through LinkedIn, and with just one click you can apply to this job. Let's get to the next job. The 14th private job is for trainee apprentice engineers for the location Hyderabad, Telangana, and this is from the company Cyient as well, and this is an internship kind of job. And kindly go through the description, and the person need to have AutoCAD, data mapping and telecommunication skills. And if you feel you are suitable to this job, just click on the apply now button, so it will be redirecting you to their official website where you can sign in through LinkedIn or apply now button here. Let's get to the next job. 15th private job is for the position Green Building Analyst, and this is for the location Hyderabad, Telangana, and from the organization Instant Services Private Limited, and the qualification required is BE BTech or ME MTech mechanical engineers, or electrical or civil or architectural background. Candidates are also eligible to apply to this job. You can either send your CVs to this mail IDs from here, or you can find these email IDs in the description below, or with just one click you can click on the apply now button, so this form will pop up and you can send your details. Let's get to the next job. The 16th private job is for project coordinators, for which freshers can also apply up to 3 years of experience, and this is for the location Hyderabad. This is from a well-known company called Muditwa Industries Private Limited. Coming to the job role, a project coordinator is an administrative professional who assists project managers with organizing and controlling project activities through communicating risks, opportunities and current state of the project. And in the same way, kindly go through the description here. Down below you even have the contact details of the organization, where you can call to this number and get to know more about the job details. And to apply to the job, just click on apply now, so that you can send your resume to the HR of this organization. By this we have completed all our job openings which have been updated in this website. All of the links will be updated in the job description below, where you can, with just one click, you can update to the job which you are eligible. For every future updates, I suggest you to click Ctrl D, so that you can bookmark this website for future visits. And in the home page, I suggest you to enroll your email address here, so that whenever a new job is getting updated in this website, you will get an email so that you can stay updated. Thank you for watching the video till this end, and I suggest you to subscribe to this YouTube channel for every latest updates of the jobs. Thank you.